Camellius dromedarius, otherwise known as the dromedary camel. Dromedary camels have seasonal shedding, and they are capable of drinking 100 liters, which is 30 gallons, of water in just 10 minutes. The hump of a camel does not actually store water, it stores fat, which is why baby camels, called calves, are not born with humps. Calves also can move freely by the end of their first day. Dromedary camels, have a lifespan of about 40 to 50 years. They display little aggressive behavior except when about to mate. In camel society, the male is dominant. Their role in the ecosystem, as far as humans go, is that they provide meat, milk, wool, leather, and fuel in the form of their dried droppings for humans, as well as the fact that they're beasts of burden. Their habitat is that they prefer desert conditions characterized by long dry seasons and short wet seasons. They're Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Artiodactya, family Bovidae. They're Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Artiodactya, family Giraffidae. This is the giraffe, also known as Giraffa camelopardalis. They have long prehensile tongues, about 45 centimeters or 18 inches. A giraffe's tongue is purplish-black and can extend almost 20 inches. This adaptation is thought to keep the tongue from sunburn during their all-day feed. Their markings allow them to hide among trees. Giraffes only drink water every 2 to 3 days, but can drink up to 10 gallons at a time. They gather most of their water from the vegetation they eat. Their role in the ecosystem is endangered because humans have encroached upon their land. They also, some trees won't get seeds unless the giraffe eats them first, and their natural habitat is in Africa. The penguin. The emperor penguin, Aptenodictis forsteri. The male fasts throughout the courtship, nesting, and incubation period. He lives off reserves of body fat which may be 3 to 4 centimeters, or 1.2 to 1.6 inches thick, and loses up to 45% of his body weight during that time. If the egg hatches before the female returns, and the female has gone off to eat while the male watches the egg, the male is able to produce and secrete a curd-like substance from his esophagus to feed the chick. Emperor penguins breed annually during the Antarctic winter, June through August. During this time, air temperatures may drop to negative 76 degrees Fahrenheit, and winds may reach up to 124 miles per hour. Penguins are endangered due to oil spills, pollution, trash in the ocean, and humans. Their average lifespan is 20 to 25 years. And emperor penguins are Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Aves, order Sphenisciformes, and family Spheniscidae. This is a mammal. It's a tree kangaroo, and at the time of this video he was sleeping and sleeping and wouldn't wake up. So the tree kangaroo is sleeping. Dendroalgus matsche, an endangered species. Matschi's tree kangaroos live in mountainous rainforest at elevations of up to 6,562 feet. They spend most of their time in trees. In captivity, it has been found out that the babies will not survive if the mother is placed with other tree kangaroos. She can only raise the baby if she's isolated, showing that tree kangaroos are solitary creatures. The Parma wallaby, Macrophus parma. Their habitat is generally eastern New South Wales and Australia. The parma is a true herbivore, browsing on low vegetation and grazing on grasses. Reproduction of the Parma wallaby takes place throughout the year unless food is scarce. Wallabies, like other kangaroos, are frequently hunted and killed by ranchers on the premise that they compete with sheep and cattle for food. Some markets also exist for hides and fur. The Parma wallaby is presently classified as rare to endangered. In addition to hunting, human habitation, expanding into its natural ranges, and increasing periods of drought threaten the native population. Mostly nocturnal, the Parma wallaby rests in bushes or trees during the day. Parma wallabies also have large ears that greatly help their sense of hearing, and are equipped with a powerful tail they use for balance. Though typically solitary, Parma wallabies can be found in groups of 2 or 3. Parma wallabies have embryonic diapause, or the ability to postpone the implantation and development of a fertilized egg. Parma wallabies have a gestation period of nearly 35 days, and when the baby, or joey, named for a baby wallaby, is born, it travels blindly to the mother's pouch where it will stay for about 7 months. Parma wallabies will sometimes give birth to a second joey while still nursing the first baby. Average lifespan in the wild is 5 years, and in captivity is 7 years. They are prey to humans and wild dogs, and predator to none.